Using QuickBooks for your cleaning business can help you manage your finances efficiently and make informed decisions. To get started, first set up your QuickBooks account by creating a company file and setting up your chart of accounts. This will help you track income and expenses and categorize them accordingly. Next, set up your customers and services by creating a customer list and adding your cleaning services as items. This will enable you to track customer information, create invoices, and manage payments. You can also set up your pricing and billing cycles to ensure accurate invoicing. To manage your day-to-day operations, use the calendar feature to schedule appointments and jobs, and track your employees' work hours. You can also use the time tracking feature to track the time spent on each job and generate reports to analyze your business performance. Invoicing is a critical part of your cleaning business, and QuickBooks makes it easy. Create invoices by selecting the customer, service, and quantity, and add any relevant notes or descriptions. You can also set up recurring invoices for regular customers and track payments and overdue invoices. To manage your finances, use the banking feature to connect your bank account and track your cash flow. You can also use the expense tracking feature to categorize and track your business expenses and generate reports to analyze your financial performance. Best practices for using QuickBooks for your cleaning business include regularly reconciling your bank statements, tracking your accounts receivable and payable, and generating regular financial reports. You should also use the budgeting feature to create a budget and track your expenses against it. By following these steps and using QuickBooks effectively, you can streamline your financial management, reduce errors, and make informed decisions to grow your cleaning business. With QuickBooks, you can focus on what you do best, providing excellent cleaning services to your customers, while leaving the financial management to the experts.